All right, for those of you who are trading lunch or coming back from lunch, taking a look at the charts, we had projected that possibility today to get 2,600 and a quarter. So we probably would get a fairly small range at lunch, maybe about three points. So far, that's been true. Just a guess, because in a rabbit dog day, that's all you really get is about 2 to 3 points. In terms of any kind of a pullback. And it just keeps squeezing away. This is a 10-minute chart. On the left, you want to open that up to a 5. You can see how a 10 to a 15 will back you up as we start to chop over and under red and green lines. In a rabbit dog day, you have that luxury. And we knew the 5 was working this morning. We said this was our primary chart that was in play today because it was working. No other reason. It was working. Rain line said, nope, not coming this way. And then we start to elevate. Hard part was the initial rotation right at the open. And we said, if we cannot get this to break back through this, get back to 88, 87, then obviously take your stop out. And you better join the winning team rather than fighting them. Thought we could get, obviously take out that 94.5. And then the key would be, do we get continuation or not? And obviously we have. Very choppy after 10 o'clock. Just sideways. And that, basically we had said, forget about the idea of this thing pulling back. We might get a time correction. And what that does, it keeps shorts trapped and allows the market to continue to squeeze higher. So the first thing you want to do is decide if you want to play, and if you do, and there's evidence that the market is moving in a directional bias, then you want to jump in and join the winning team. And that's really hard for most traders to say, now, I'd rather be buying it back in 87 area, and they don't get the opportunity, and then you're stubborn. That's what hurts traders, is being stubborn, because your idea is playing out. You just didn't get the opportunity you want. You know, pitcher throws you a pitch that you were expecting, fastball, but you swing and miss. Okay, you swung on your miss. No big deal, but you were right with the pitch that was coming. We were right, totally right about this since Zeke posted yesterday that this is up, up, and away. And then we guesstimated that, okay, fine, they're going for 2,600. Why wouldn't they? So you may have missed the best opportunity that you had during the time that you were awake. But you don't have to give up the idea of, okay, join the winning team. And I guess that's the message that I'm trying to promote right now. Now this platform right here is the squeezer. And we talked about any number of breakouts. That was a breakout right there. And nothing better than moving averages. And they do tell us we're getting stretched a bit. But right now the market's on a holiday push. And anybody that guesses short side, it will strictly be a lucky guess. So move stops up. We said if you understood the nature of the breakout, you could add in actually up here over 94.5, but each trade has to stand on its own. And anybody in a 2-day run, tighten up your stops, and obviously you're going to use 95 to 94.5 as your support. We have not had a contra today. And typically in a rabid dog day, you won't get one until later. Take what you can, get paid, stops up. Anybody that's got the 2,600 and a quarter target is achieved.